Okay, so we're just gonna make a quick Thousand Island, our take on a Thousand Island. We don't have the sweet relish, so what I've got though is I've got some gherkins, and I'm just chopping them up. Very simply, you could have this, you know, super fine or rough, or just sliced the way I just did there. I like it a little chunky, just because it adds some crunch to the Thousand Island. So like that's a good size for me. Just gonna grab this bowl, add that to it, and a few minutes ago I just roasted off some garlic. I'm gonna add a drop of that right in there, that roasted garlic, nice and beautiful. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, of course, some mayonnaise, drop some of that in there. I like a little kick in mine, so I've got some chili paste that I'm gonna add. A little bit of chili paste there. And we're just gonna mix that up. And so right now you got the tanginess of the gherkin, which is really delicious. And it's got the crunch as well. And then, of course, what we're gonna do is add, it's not Thousand Island if it doesn't have a touch of ketchup. So we're just gonna add a little bit of ketchup just to give it some color as well, which will be delicious, and it will give it some sweetness. And that right there is your makeshift Thousand Island for any Juicy Lucy. Look at that.